The first thing we're gonna need is a good subject. I found a good one for this purpose at Pixabay, and obviously, opened it with Photoshop. In the next step, go to the Layer tab, select the background layer. Click the right mouse button and duplicate it. Then go to Image, Adjustment, Black and White. In the Black and White panel, you can regulate the amount of colors at wish. But for a speed-up process, select, in the preset pop-up menu, Maximum Black and click on OK. Well, let's keep up. We need another photo for the cracks and scratches effect. I found one for the purpose and imported in the project as a layer. The photo needed to be resized, so I adapted it with the Transform tool, Ctrl+T, and committed. Once you've done, in the Layers tab, make sure to have the new layer selected and change the opacity to something like 20% and change the blend mode to screen. Now click with the right button on the layer and choose Blending Options. It will pop up the Layer Style dialog. Check Gradient Overlay and in the options choose on Blend Mode, Linear Light, change Style to Radial and click on the Gradient box to change it. In the Gradient Editor, click on the bottom white and bottom black tiny boxes to change its colors to something like number 694,301. Then click on the top tiny boxes and change the opacity of the one to the right to 10%. Now click OK on the Gradient Editor and OK on the Layer Style. We're almost finished. In the Layers tab, choose your layer with the duplicated subject and duplicate it once more. Then go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and apply a 2 pixels radius. Change its blend mode to overlay. Select the eraser tool, select the brush mode, change the opacity to 50%. Select a size to your needs, and hardness to 70%. Now with the tool set up, brush the core lighting spots, to emphasize the overall light. And we've done. Thanks for watching.